Hello! Today is your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most awaited day. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Willem! I wish you a happy life and a healthy person all the time. May you have many, 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 many years to come and more in return. And I have nothing else to wish for. You already have everything. So just keep on smiling, and I want to thank you for always being there for me, for good times and bad times. Thank you so much for all the happy moments that you have shared to me. That person sharing songs to me. Thank you a lot, Willem. So you deserve to be happy always. Wishing you a lot of happiness. So I'm happy for you today, and I hope you will enjoy your day as you will enjoy your holidays. And thank you for always being there. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you, my dearest friend Willem. Ik ben blij dat ik jou heb leren kennen. I hope it is correct. So happy birthday, Willem. And toetien, toetrap. So enjoy. Mm, good day. Doei.